Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to remove superficial or even some deep scratches off of any flat screen TV. Now this particular model, it's an LG, but again it'll work with any flat screen that you have. I got 3 common household items that should work on removing the scratches. It might, dim the scratches out a little bit, or it might actually permanently remove some of the scratches. So on the first method that we're going to use, we're going to try petroleum jelly and or Colgate Toothpaste. The second method we're going to use is Isopropl alcohol, and this is 91%. You could use a 71%, but I like the higher percentage alcohol, and along with water. It's going to be like a 50-50 mixture. And last but not least is the 3M rubbing compound. So let's go ahead and test it out, each method. And don't worry, this TV's broken. Okay, so let's first try the toothpaste. And the only thing that you need as far as materials is microfiber. Microfiber is my favorite fabric to use, but I also like terry cloth as well. So either or is preferable. So what you want to do is put a liberal amount of toothpaste on it, the petroleum jelly on the other one. You can let it sit for a few minutes. With the Isopropl alcohol, you're going to use a 50-50 mixture, so 50% water, 50% of the alcohol. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in a circular motion. You're going to rub it in like this. And I could feel that scratch through the microfiber cloth. So let's go ahead and try the 3M rubbing compound. You want to use about a dime-shaped amount there. And the alcohol, the Isopropyl alcohol doesn't seem to be working as well. So it looks like the 3M fills up the scratch. So what they recommend is after you apply the 3M is to go back over it with alcohol. So we'll try that. They recommend afterwards to put like a lacquer on it. But I have the Armor All Ultra Shine, which I think works just as good. So the toothpaste did a pretty good job. Now let's go ahead and try the one with the petroleum jelly and dry this one off. Okay, final results. Toothpaste, petroleum jelly, only using the Isopropyl alcohol, and the 3M rubbing compound there on number 3. Honestly, I think the clear winner is the petroleum jelly. I know this is a radical example, and these are extreme scratches and deep scratches. And usually they won't be this deep that you would do with a box cutter. They're going to be much lighter with this. So all 3 products is good. But I would definitely go with the petroleum jelly first. And everybody's got petroleum jelly at home. Alright, I appreciate it. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.